couldn't be more excited to share how this weekend, April 12th and 13th of 2025, we're gonna have over 70 students from around the state of Indiana getting a chance to compete in the inaugural STEM challenge involving Infento electric vehicles and riders robotics. They're gonna be creating all different types of innovative, uniquely designed robots and different Indy 500 race cars.
With Infento and riders, what it does is it helps them with critical thinking, right? It challenges them to look at a problem, diagnose it.
They start to understand that it takes a commitment, they have to persevere, they have to overcome different obstacles.
A great opportunity for kids to learn how to build things.
Partnership, empathy, Infento really helped me build those skills. It was very rewarding, and getting to see the benefit of my effort was really cool.
You don't have to have an engineering mind, but you can develop one by experiencing these kind of programs.
That's, I think, the most impactful part of the whole program, is that it gives them an opportunity to see something outside of the box.
I would definitely do this again. This probably make me pursue more into engineering a little bit more, building more things. Like next year, we're coming back for this and we're gonna win the whole thing.
Other participants, I see they are already having a clear idea on how they want to approach, and they are putting their thoughts into the machines what they are building here, which is really cool. It's really great.
Yesterday during the hackathon, I volunteered judging and also a part of the Q&A with the students, which I really enjoyed, hearing insights and learning more about behind the scenes and how they got to the finished product from start to finish.
We just finished an incredible STEM weekend with so many students from the state of Indiana coming together at the Infosys offices to showcase their incredible STEM skills. And it was just incredible to see the types of skills these students were showcasing from a design thinking standpoint all the way through mechanical and electrical engineering. So thank you so much, Miami EdTech and Infosys Foundation USA, for the opportunity to bring this incredible program to life here for all these students and schools here throughout the state.